Good morning, G3. How are your dioramas? I hope you have no problems with it. And if you need any help, just let me know. There are two meetings on Zoom during which you may ask me some questions about them. So, half an hour before we start our lesson. So the lesson is at 10:30 as usually, and we are going to do some maths. But half an hour before, there is a meeting for those who would like to meet and discuss diorama. And there is also another meeting at 4:30 for the volunteers again. If you are having breakfast in the morning, or if you feel like you don't want to have any additional meeting before our maths lesson, then you can meet me at 4:30. Okay, so I'm waiting for you. Not for everyone, but for those who need some help, who would like to ask some additional questions about dioramas. Okay, so you've got the Zoom links here, so the additional ones, and at 10:30 we are having maths lesson. So for the math lesson, you're asked to have your notebook, pen, and perimeter worksheet from yesterday. Okay, because we are going to check your homework. And that's it. Okay. So there are not many tasks, as I still would like you to work on your big project, okay, diorama. So there are no specific tasks, no other tasks for maths, for English and unit of inquiry, sorry. So still working on that. If you want to have a break and practice some English, there is another synonym crossword. So the crossword for you to find the words with the similar meaning, with the same meaning. Okay? So like yesterday, the same type. And if it's about maths, we are going to move on with geometry. So today you will find out what's area. Okay? So watching video first, you probably know that man. So I want you to watch the video. However, the video is 10 minutes long and I would like to watch just the first 6 minutes. Okay? So that's the part when he will talk about the rectangle and he will start discussing the area of the triangles. So if he starts discussing triangles, you may stop the video because that's not the topic for our lesson. Okay? So of course you may watch it as a volunteer, but that's not what we are going to discuss in the next few days. Okay? So that's maths, and after watching the video, there is also one more web page. You may have a look at, just revise what he said. Okay, to check what's area, and then your math notebooks. So I would like you to write down the topic, the definition as well, and draw a rectangle or a square. Okay, so you've got everything written in the plan, so just copying it to your maths notebook. Okay, and that's it. And then some mathematics worksheets to practice square centimeters. Okay, so you need to calculate the area of each of the following shapes. So you will find out that an area is the amount of surface on a shape or object. So small areas are measured in square centimeters. That's how much the square centimeter is. Okay, so if we can see the recolored squares, it equals 3 square centimeters. if you can see 5 squares colored, then it's, yeah, 5 square centimeters. If you can see 9 colored squares, then we write 9 square centimeters. So I think it's not very complicated. There is a bit more complicated part on the second page, but it will be a piece of cake for you as well, probably. So you just need to be careful. If you put half of the square colored here and half of the square colored here, you need to remember that 2 halves give one. Yep, and that's it. So that's maths. And actually that's the end for today. So keep working hard on your project. I could see that some of you are doing like serious researching, and I really like it. See you at 10:30. We are going to discuss that maths and do some tasks. Okay, so see you at 10:30, or if you would like to meet a bit earlier to discuss your diorama, I'm there just to help you. See you.